How to sign out of YouTube on your Android device. On my channel, I have done a few videos of teaching people how to sign out of YouTube. One is the how to sign out of YouTube, and another one is next level, how to sign out of YouTube. And if you want to sign out to YouTube and want to learn more, please check out the previous video that I uploaded, because you should start from there first. And if you have watched both of my videos and still cannot sign out of YouTube, please stay tuned. Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in ProTecStation. It's great to see you all. So previously, I have made a couple videos of teaching people how to sign out of YouTube on your Android device. And there is the how to sign out of YouTube, and also next level, how to sign out of YouTube. And if you have seen both of the YouTube videos and you still cannot sign out of YouTube, this is the video to watch. So based on my experience, I am really knowledgeable of how to sign out of YouTube, because there's a glitch on the app and it's preventing people for signing out of YouTube. And I figure out a way to how to navigate and sign out of that. But my recent update on my Galaxy S21 bumped up everything, and it upgraded all my YouTube app and everything, and which is fine, you know. My YouTube app is still signed out, but one day I accidentally hit the sign in button of my account, and I was like, oh my god, I couldn't sign out, you know. I was really stuck, you know, because normally when you follow my method of how to sign out of YouTube, you should not upgrade your YouTube. But the thing is, the Galaxy S21, or if you have a device, you know, like other brands, Sony or whatever, that has a pre-installed YouTube app and it doesn't allow you to uninstall it, that is the problem, you know. You can't uninstall the YouTube app and you can't follow my method. So in this video, I will show you, this is like the next level. And if you really want to sign out of YouTube, you should watch this video. This video is a little bit more technical, so you probably have to follow the step and do a little bit more work. But if you really find it's worth doing all the work just to sign out of YouTube, please watch this video. And by the way, I always forget, can you do me one favor? Can you help me smash that like button? That will really help support the channel big time, and it doesn't cost you anything. Okay, so now I am going to show you how to sign out of YouTube, and the method that I am going to show you, please be aware, you know, I am just showing you how to sign out of YouTube. And if you use this method to do other things to your other application and you messed up, it's going to be a big problem. So just follow this method, and if you accidentally use my method to accidentally mess up another application, worst come to worst, you can actually do a factory reset and everything should be come back to factory setting, but it is a pain. So just be careful what you are doing, because I don't want you to accidentally delete some application that you're not supposed to. So just follow the method that I show you today, and don't use the method on other applications, because I'm afraid that you might mess it up if you don't know what you're doing. If you know, then it's cool. Okay, before we start, we need to check the requirements needed in order to make this to work. So first of all, you need your phone, then you need your USB cable, and then you need a PC or Mac. In this demonstration, I'm going to use PC because I don't have Mac. And then you need to download this program called ADB program. Download link will be on the bottom of the description. Once you have everything ready, we can proceed to the next procedure. Okay, now first thing, on your Android phone, hold down to your YouTube app and then go to the settings and then force stop. Once you force stop it, go to storage and hit clear cache and then clear data. And then after that, close all the tabs. And then afterwards, swipe down notification and go to your settings, scroll down and go to about phones right here. So click on about phones. Once you click on it, scroll down and then you see this software information. You click on that. And then as you see right here, there's a build number tab. So you have to press it 7 times and it will unlock the developer mode. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As you see right here, developer mode has been turned on. And once you turn on developer mode, hit the back button and go back to the main menu of the setting, and then scroll down. You see developer options right over here, and then turn it on. Once you, well, make sure it's turned on. If it's not on, enable it. So click OK to enable it, and then scroll down and you see USB debugging, and make sure you turn that on as well. So press that right here and click OK. Okay, and then that's it. Okay, on your PC, you see this one, minimal ADB fast boot setup. So you double click on that to run the setup. And as you see the screen right here, press run. And then the Windows security will ask you, do you want to install it, yes or no? So you just press yes. Then on this screen right here, the welcome screen, click next. And then this screen, also next. And then this screen where you want to save, also press next. And then this screen right here, also press next. And remember, on this screen right here, create a shortcut. So checkbox that first, and then click next, and then install. And then this screen, do you want to launch the app? Uncheck that first because we're not launching the app right now. And hit finish. As you see, the shortcut has been added to your desktop. Then on your phone, plug in the USB cable to your phone to your PC. And then remember, on your phone, enable the USB file transfer setting. Make sure it's not charging only. Make sure it's selected transfer file. And back to your PC. As you see the minimum ADB shortcut, open that, double click, and it will open this command prompt window. And under this command prompt, you have to type in this code, ADB space device, and then hit enter, and then it will start loading. And once you see this screen, this line right here, you enter this. You see this line right here? Okay, so you enter ADB space shell and then hit enter, and then it comes up with this random thing and with a $sign right here. And then you type in PM space uninstall space -k space -- user space 0 space com.google.android.youtube. And when you hit enter, you will see the YouTube app on the phone will automatically disappear because it will delete it. As you see right here, it deleted the YouTube app from the system. So by using the method that I show you how to uninstall the factory pre-installed YouTube app, then you need to go back to the Play Store and re-download the YouTube application from the Play Store. Okay, so go back to your phone and then open your Google Play Store and then turn that on, and then type in YouTube and then install that. And so once you install it, you can open it, and then once you're on the YouTube app, click on your accounts, and then as you see right here, the sign out button reappears. Now sign out. Ta-da! Freedom. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. So there you have it. Hope you liked today's video, and if you like the video, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification. That way, when I have new videos, you'll be notified. You may also feel free to share this video to families and friends, which I am very greatly appreciate. You may also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Links will be on the bottom of the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. And now I am going to show you how to sign out of YouTube. And Also, the method that I'm about to show you, follow carefully and do not do anything that you're not. So by using the method that I show you how to delete the factory install